Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Adventures in the Forgotten Realms. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Plummet, followed by Improvised Weaponry, Vampire Spawn, Ranger's Longbow, You Are Ambushed on the Road, Contact Other Plane, Dueling Rapier, Celestial Unicorn, Valor Singer, Rhyme Shield Frost Giant, Dungeon Crawler, 50 Feet of Rope, You Happen on a Glade, Mordenkainen in Extended Art, Borderless Art, Our Land is a Mountain, and we have an Angel token. So again, we have Mountain, Borderless Art, Mordenkainen, who is, let's see, draw 2 cards, and put a card from your hand on the bottom of your library. Create a blue dog illusion token with power and toughness equal to twice the number of cards in your hand. And big kicker is exchange your hand and library, then shuffle. You get an emblem with you have no maximum hand size. Okay, pulling off that 10 is incredible. Especially if you have a couple of the -2s dog illusions out. And I mean, it's really cool planeswalker. And it definitely fits the flavor of Mordenkainen in the Forgotten Realms, being the master illusionist. Just pulling tricks out of his sleeves and always being the most knowledgeable one in the room. Hence the having your hand and library flipped and being able to cast anything based by having access to your entire library. So it's flavorful, it's powerful, it's a cool card. I like him. Don't know what I'm going to do with him yet. Surprised to no one, I'm sure, seeing cool card and not knowing what to do with it. But he's going to fit somewhere in a blue deck or something with blue, obviously. But where, I don't know yet. Next we have You Happen on a Glade, 50 Feet of Rope, Dungeon Crawler, Rhyme Shield Frost Giant, Valor Singer, Celestial Unicorn, Dueling Rapier, Contact Other Plane, You Are Ambushed on the Road, Ranger's Longbow, Vampire Spawn, Improvised Weaponry, and Plummet. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.